my god, which one of you guys have been to a buffet that does steak? I'm so full right now. Yo, it's Bearded Mo, and today I'm doing another food review video. I've been invited by a la carte buffet in Birmingham. I'll tell you guys more about it when I get there. If you guys are new here, I do weekly food review videos, so if you guys are interested, consider subscribing. I'll see you guys in a minute. So I was the first one here and I thought I'd make a quick video for you lot. Place is looking nice, but it doesn't really look like a buffet. What do you guys think? Yo, these are taking buffet on a whole new level. Check this out. So I'll give you a quick overview of how this place works. You get to choose 2 starters at a time, 1 main dish and 2 sides. So I had chicken tikka and fish tikka for starters, and I had chicken steak with pasta and chips on the side. As you can see, the price isn't too bad. I'm gonna be straight with you guys. I'm not hyping it, but the starters were amazing. Remember, stay tuned till the end for my full review. I was absolutely stuffed, but I thought I'd go for chicken parmesan and chips. Big muncher. Oh my god, which one of you guys have been to a buffet that does steak? I am so full right now. I'm on my way home, so I'm just gonna go straight into the ratings. For food, it was okay. The starters were very nice, so for that reason I'm gonna give it a 3 out of 5. For customer service, I'm gonna give it a 5 out of 5. The guy who was looking after us was very nice, very polite, and explained everything properly. So for customer service, I'm gonna give it a 5 out of 5. For accessibility, I'm gonna give it a 2 out of 5. This is because they don't have a car park, but the street is around the corner, so it's not too bad. So 2 out of 5 for accessibility. For atmosphere, I'm gonna give it a 3 out of 5. It's nice and cozy, but there's only a limited number of seats. Completely forgot to give the overall rating, so taking everything into consideration, I'm gonna give this a 3 out of 5 rating. Be sure to check this place out. Let me know what you guys think of it. It's in Birmingham. If you guys like this video, make sure you guys hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Peace.